Okay, shut it. This is our kitchen. And the sinks. How did I turn that fan off? Fridge. More cupboards. Kitchen. Sliding door. Living room. And look, it's a round thingy, so you can go back to the kitchen this way. There's David. And then down the hall. Closet 1. Closet 2. Linen closet. Small bedroom. And there's David again. And then our bedroom. And then this closet, it's a walk-in and it goes back, but it kind of gets... Is there a light in there?
I don't know.
Holy cow, this does go far back. There's no light in here.
A basketball hoop that was high.
And then the bathroom. The tub. Stuff. Is there a fan? There's a fan in here! I didn't know that. Let's go. And there's David again. And then we go back into the living room.
Did you show them our closets?
Yes. Oh, not the door closet, not the room closets. And the balcony. Yeah, we see the parking lot, but whatever. There's my car.